You're welcome. You're welcome. In this module, I'm going to be teaching you how to edit your voiceovers and how to create, how to generate auto robotic voiceovers. So, without wasting more time, we'll dive into our our CapCut, not KineMaster, sorry, CapCut. So you click on Create New Project, and let me just go for a photo. Yes, this photo. Let me click on this because I don't need video. I want to show you how to. Okay, so we'll come to this ending and delete it. I'm not explaining to you because you know how to make use of the. I'll just enlarge it. I want to enlarge it because what I want to do. Okay, so this is the voiceover. I will want to let me use this app to record the voiceover. I click on audio. I click on record, and you. Okay, let me record now so that you see. Hi, my name is Raph Oche. I am the founder and CEO of Rare Concept. Okay, so I'm done saving this. So let me play it now so that you will see. Hi, my name is Raph Oche. I am the founder and CEO. You are seeing that? You are seeing that our founder and CEO of Rare Concept. So for you, it's not professional. Hi, my name is Raph Oche. I am the founder and CEO. So before you do anything, you click on this. Immediately you are bringing your voiceover. Remember, don't forget, increase the volume to 1000. Hi, my name is. You see how high it is. Hi, my name is Raph Oche. I am the founder and CEO of Rare Concept. So you are hearing the sound of the music that was playing in the background. The thing picked it. So you will go to this place. You click on this thing. You go to reduce noise. There is reduce noise here. So you reduce the noise. Reduce the noise. Hi, my name is Raph Oche. I am the founder and CEO of Rare Concept. I would just advise you, don't record your voiceover. Don't record your voiceover in a noisy environment. The reason why the music is showing is because where I am is a noisy area, and I can't go home to record this video because of the tight schedule I have. But this is how that's how you remove noise from your phone. So the best time I advise you, don't be in a noisy area, because even after when you remove the noise, it will still be showing. Hi, my name is Raph Oche. I am the founder. And I've denoised it. So that is the number one thing you do when you import your voiceover. Then the number two thing you do, you would click on the voice effect if you want to make it deep or light. Or okay, I didn't connect my internet. Coming, let me do that quickly. So sorry, just give me a minute and let me do that. I'm connecting with my other phone. So okay, let me see. Okay, it's connected. So let me search for the voiceover now. So once you click on the voice effect, I hope you know where I came. This is a place, voice effect. You click on this, you will see deep, you will see high, you will see low. So anyone, let's click on this deep. Let me show you. You see how deep it is. Hi, my name is Raph. Hi, my name is Raph Oche. I am the founder and CEO of Rare Concept. That is for the deep, but I don't like using deep. I don't use deep. The one I use mostly for my voiceover is this timbre. Then I will reduce it to, this one will be 8, then the down one will be 5, the amplitude will be 5. Hi, my name is Raph Oche. I am the founder and CEO of Rare Concept. Once you are done putting all this, the next thing you do, I will show you. See, hi, my name is Raph Oche. I am the founder and CEO. You are seeing this? I am the founder. That's our sound. It's not professional. I am the founder. So you will pause it here. You will click on this, you click on split, you come here, you click on split also, then you delete it, then you hold it and drag it together. So let's play now. You will get the sense of what I'm saying. Hi, my name is Oluwafe Oche. I am the founder and CEO of Rare Concepts. You are seeing how it started immediately. The thing didn't let me see, let me shift it a little. Okay, so that to start immediately from here. So hi, my name is Oluwafe Oche. I am the founder and CEO of Rare Concepts. So that is how you edit it. There's no there again. So that is how you edit your voiceover. So now let me show you how I generate my auto robotic voice. So to generate the auto robotic voice, you will click on this test here. You click on the test icon will pop up. You will see this A button. Click on it, then you type in, okay, let me type in a word to show you how. Welcome, my name, my brand name is Rare Concept. Okay, so once you are done, you type okay, then you come to this place. You are seeing this place, text to speech. Then you click on the text to speech. You would see many voices. Auto robotic voice will pop up. So let me click on the first one. See it will play. When you click on it, the thing will play. Okay, let me click on it. Sorry,
my brand name is Rare Concept.
Yeah, see this.
Welcome, my brand name is Rare Concept.
You're seeing this. So you will keep this one is music. Sorry. This one is music. It's music.
Welcome, my brand name is Rare Concept.
You're seeing it. So
welcome, my brand name is Rare Concept.
So you will choose anyone.
Welcome, my brand name is Rare Concept.
So you will choose anyone that relate.
Welcome, my brand name is Rare Concept.
This is the one I use, the adorable girl. See it. Is this one?
Welcome, my brand name is Rare Concept.
Adorable girl. This is the one I mostly use. I use for most.
Welcome, my brand name is Rare Concept.
But I'm not going to be using that. I will use this American male. Let me see.
Welcome, my brand name is Rare Concept.
Okay, so once you are done selecting and you want to click OK, you click on this good button and see it. As they'll tell you is that it means ported and be added. See it. So once you see this blue button in between that lemon green shiny button, that means your voiceover has been exported. So has been added. So the next thing you will do, you will click on this your seat. This, let me use this button. You click on this thing, you click on it. Once you click on it, like mine is already clicked on, then you delete it so that you don't need the text, you just need the voice. So you now play it.
Welcome, my brand name is Rare Concept.
You have seen this. So that is how we generate auto-robotic voice.
My brand name is Rare Concept.
You've seen it from using CapCut. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the other model.